Hello everybody, today I will explain you about 8051 pin functions and its special features. Basically 8051 has 40 pins. From pin 1 to pin 8 is the port 1, which is an 8-bit bidirectional IO port with internal pull-ups. Pin 9 is the reset. It circuit looks like it consists of capacitor and resistor. When capacitor is fully charged, it blocks the DC and resets the 8051. Okay, pin 10 and pin 10 to pin 17 is the port 3. This pin has some special features like port 3.0 and port 3.1 is RxD and TxD pin, which receives and transmits the bits. Port 3.2 and port 3.3 consist of INT0 and INT1, which is the external hardware interrupt. Port 3.4 and port 3.5 is T0 and T1, which provides pulses to the 8051. Port 3.6 and port 3.7 are the external data memory read strobe and external data memory write strobe. Okay, pin 18 and pin 19 is the XTAL1 and XTAL2, which provides square waveform to the 8051 or provides frequency to the connected external hardware device. Its circuits look like this. XTAL1, this is the pin XTAL1 and XTAL2. There are two capacitors 20 picofarad and one crystal oscillator of 12 megahertz. Okay, this converts the DC signal to the sine wave to the AC signal with a sine wave, which is converted into square waveform by using Schmitt trigger. Pin 20 is the ground and from pin 21 to pin 27 is the port 2, which is an 8-bit bidirectional IO port with an internal pull-up. Port 2 also emits the high order address byte of A8 and A15, which it uses to fetch the external program memory during the access of external data memory. Pin 29 is the PSEN bar. Program store enable. Program store enable is an output signal on pin 29. This signal is used for fetching instruction from external code memory. When the 8051 is executing code from external program memory, PSEN is activated twice each machine cycle, except the two PSEN activation are skipped during each access to external data memory. Pin 30 is the ALE address latch enable. Output pulse for latching the low byte address A0 or A7 is used. This pin is used to access the external memory. And pin 31 is the EA external access. This pin must be grounded if we are using some external memory, because 8051 has less memory. 8051 has less memory. If EA is held high, the device executes from internal program memory unless the program counter contains an address greater than the maximum internal program memory space. Port pin 32 to pin 39 is port 0, which is an 8-bit bidirectional IO port. Port 0 is an open drain configuration. Port 0 is also multiplexed low order address A0 to A7 and data bus D0 to D7 during access to external program and data memory. Pin 40 is VCC, positive power supply plus 5 volt. Okay, so this was the pin configuration of 8051, and if you have liked the video or if you have got some information, so please subscribe.